Calibrating the installation loop in Cyberpunk 2077 can help ensure a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to complete the calibration process effectively. Step 1. Access the game settings. Navigate to the main menu of Cyberpunk 2077 and select the Settings option. This is where you will find various configurations for your game. Step 2. Locate installation options. Within the Settings menu, look for the Installation or Game Installation section. This area contains options related to the game's installation and performance. Step 3. Adjust installation loop settings. In the installation options, you will find settings related to the installation loop. Adjust these settings according to your system's specifications and preferences for optimal performance. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary adjustments, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button within the Settings menu to confirm your new configurations. Step 5. Restart the game. Once you have saved your changes, exit the Settings menu and restart Cyberpunk 2077. This will allow the game to apply the new installation loop settings effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate the installation loop in Cyberpunk 2077 successfully. Enjoy your gaming experience.